Go to current. Okay, it's recorded. So, hello guys, and we're gonna take a look at part 3, and it's gonna be the last part for today and the most interesting one. So in part 3, we're gonna talk more about text editors like Nano and Vim. We're gonna see how to do Nano and how to do Vim, and the commands associated with them. So let's start with Nano editor. So a text editor is basically like VS Code. It's like a notepad, like this one right here. It's where you write your shell scripts or bash shell scripts. So if you want to do an F function, if you want to do a for loop, if you know a bit of programming, and if you want to do like, you want to write a script that runs and installs a server like Apache web server, you can do that using a text editor. And so the structure is just write Nano and then the file name. It's kind of easy, so let's do that. Let me again log in. Okay, so basically, as we said, and let's clear our screen. Okay, so clear. So basically, if we said if we want to open a Nano, we say Nano, then hello. It will open a GNU or GNU Nano that's called hello, and you already have the commands here. So if you entered Control G, I think it's going to give you help. If you said Control R, read file, and all the commands are going to be here in any way. So let's just say when we execute this file, echo hello, my name is Maya. So we exit. If you want to, oh, sorry, exit. Do you want to save? Yes, I want to save. And then we press enter. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. So now we have this Nano editor. So if we said cat, oh, sorry, cat, hello, we're going to see that it says echo, hello, my name is Maya. Okay, let me remove this so I can work properly. Okay, so we want to execute this file, but if we looked at the permissions on this file, which is hello, we're gonna see that we don't have any kind of execution permission to do so. So if we said ./hello, it's gonna give me permission denied. So based on part 2, on permissions and ownership, we're gonna add ch mode, which is change mode. We're gonna add the permission for the user to execute hello. So now if we said ./hello, it's gonna echo hello, my name is Maya. So can we understand the basic need of text editors? And these are a few, like, this is how you can use it. So if we reopen Nano hello, and we said, I'm going to teach you a new thing. So let's say, echo, what is your name? Then we said, read, I think, rename. Then we said, echo. So if you want to call a variable hello $name, and then we exit, which is Control X, we write, and then we click Y for yes, enter, and then we want to execute that file. What's my name? My name is Maya. It's gonna say hello Maya. So what we have done right now, we have taken an input from a user and then we have displayed it as hello. Let's look at a file again. So nano hello. So the first command, it's kind of easy. It said, just ask me a question. That is, what is my name? Then it said read name, so take the variable name. So whatever I enter, you store it in the variable that's called name. And then echo hello $sign name. So if you remember, so let's exit. If you remember, if we said echo $0, it's gonna show us what bash are we working on or what shell are we working on, and we're working on bash script right now. So if we said $sign something, it's gonna return the value of that something. So let's say nano add, as in adding numbers. So let's say echo, enter your first number, sorry, your first number, then read X, enter your, oh, sorry, echo, enter your second number, then we say read Y, then we say echo, let's say $sign X plus $sign Y. Let's try it this way. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. So I control exit, yes, enter, and let's say ./add. It's not gonna work because we haven't added any kind of permission. So chmod u plus x add. Then we do that. Enter your first number 1, 2, and the return is a string 1 plus 2. That's great. We want to make it more efficient. We want it to give us 3. So let's try and do that. It's kind of funny how it did that. So let's try and add maybe a quotation mark. Maybe it's gonna work. Let's do that. I don't think it's gonna work. I think I have to put that it is a number. So let's do it again. Enter your first number, enter your second number. Yes, it's gonna give us the same thing. So let's try maybe defining it as an integer, maybe. Let's try and do that. So let me think of how to do so. So if we said man, maybe, or help variable. Okay, man reads. No manual for read. Okay, let's نحكوها بالعربي خلينا نترجم. I think it's and maybe. Oh damn, I have forgot how to add numbers to, okay, spaces. Enter your first number. Yeah, I need to remember how to do that. So I need to figure out how to add numbers together. I actually forgot. I don't know why, but it's fine. Okay. So if we saw the nanostructure and then we looked at its commands, we can see all the commands when we open any kind of nano editor, sorry. So nano hello, you can see these commands are right here down, so you don't need to memorize anything from these commands. So let's try the Vim command, which is another text editor. Those can do that. So Control X, clear, and let's write Vim, Vim color. Vim. It's not command, it can be installed. So we don't have the Vim editor. Let's install it. By the way, this command right here is package management. You don't have to know that. So let's just write it. Sudo apt install. Okay, let's wait for it to install for a bit. Sorry, guys, we're back. Yes, we have to do an arithmetic expression. Exactly. I have forgot the arithmetic expression. Okay, so it's gonna continue doing that alone. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit to install the Vim editor, which is fine. And Amin, thank you. I think Amin, not Amin. Yes, Amin. Amin, thank you for the answer. You should put it into an arithmetic expression the same way you did. So we'll try and do that right now after it finishes installing the Vim. Processing. So quick notice, maybe just a quick knowledge for you to know about package management. If you want to install any kind of thing, so you said, as we said up here, it's sudo apt install vim. But if we were using Linux, not the distribution Ubuntu, we would say sudo yum install vim. This is gonna give me like, it doesn't understand yum because it's not Linux, it's Ubuntu, so Ubuntu uses apt. Okay, so let's try and you do vim color. It opened the other text editor, which is Vim. So let's say echo, oh, I'm sorry, echo, what is your favorite color? It's gonna be the same thing, read color, then echo, color, I'm sorry about my dog, is a great color. So now when we want to exit and we want to save, we can write a command that is called two dots, WQ, then exclamation mark, and enter. I think, yeah. So Control X, mode, enter. Okay. So we can write this. Then the command for it is vim file name. And then if we want to exit, we can write this line, I guess it's WQ. Okay, so insert. I have inserted WQ, it's not inserting. Okay, let's try Control C, then WQ, WQ. Yes. Okay. So if we try to also skip the file color, it's not gonna give me any kind of permissions to do so because we have to add the permission file. So let's do that. We said U plus chmod, U plus X color. Now we can, what's your favorite color? I'd say red. Red is a great color. So let's fix the add one. Yes. So here, as Amin said, we have to put it in an arithmetic expression, and we're going to learn that in the bash scripting session. So it's $, two brackets, y plus, is it x? Yes, x, two brackets. Then we're gonna show the results equal, let's say, result. So $ result. Let's try this. Let me remove these. Oh, sorry, I removed the y by mistake. Let me remove this also. So Control X, yes, save, and execute add 1, 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Again, if we wanted, let's do a quick recap for the Vim and Nano editor. If you want to open any kind of Nano editor, we just write nano add as we did. and then we can enter anything we want. Then, if you want to save and exit our work, we can just, you see here, exit, which is Control X. We haven't changed anything, but it would ask you if you want to save. So press Y for yes and N for no, and then enter. For the Vim, it's kind of different. So Vim color, we would say echo, and we write what anything we want. So let's say echo. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. So echo, hello. So we added another line, and you press Control C to exit. And now at the end, like at the left end, we're gonna write double dots WQ, like quit and save. And if we executed color, red, again, it's gonna give me red is a great color and hello. So it's kind of different. Both are text editors, but both differ in command. We said nano file. If we want to save, we can exit, then save. For Vim, if we don't want to save, we can put this, as we said, the exclamation mark typically in programming mean not. So we can put two dots, Q, quit without saving. So this is quit without saving. This is quit with saving, like with save quit. Let's try and do that. So let's Vim color. And I want to remove the last line. I want to remove the last line. It's not removing, which is weird. Yeah, wait, give me a moment. Okay, that's nice. It's not like moving or anything. It's just weird. Okay, okay. I have edited this, and then I wanna quit without saving. So I press Control C, and I don't want to save this, so I just press double dots, Q, and exclamation mark. And then when I execute color, red, they're gonna show me the modified version of hello. Okay, so does anyone have any kind of question till now about the text editors and Vims and Nanos? So we have more than these two. We have, I think, something called with the G, I forgot. We're gonna redo the a quick recap on day 4 when we start our shell scripting journey. So when we do a shell script, we do it typically inside the text editor, like we saw about the echo and the adding and arithmetic operations, if for loops and anything we need, Vim editors and stuff. We're gonna see you at day 4 when we start shell scripting. We're gonna do a quick recap on these editors again. So these are really important. And Q&A session, I would like to ask, what did you like the most? Did you like the Vim or Nano editor? For me personally, I like Nano more than Vim. I think Nano is much easier for me. They have a command written down for you. It's just easier. Nano for sure. I do agree. I kind of agree. Nano is a bit easier than Vim. Uh, well, I hope the three parts, Nano all the way. Yeah, I'd agree. Nano all the way. Okay. So please try and exercise doing these type of stuff like echo, read, creating files, adding permissions, removing permissions, and changing ownerships. Before we start the shell scripting journey and before we start like everything else. So today's lecture is really important. It's really, really important. And I hope you enjoyed everything. So we have come to an end. We have finished 3 parts of today, and I hope I see you guys next Thursday. I think I stopped the recording.